After about a week of waiting, we have an answer in the election lawsuit over a vacant state Senate seat. And it's a political win for critics of Governor Sarah Huckabee Sanders.
Yeah, Pulaski County Circuit Judge ordered today that the special election should be moved up sooner than the date selected by the governor. THV11's Catherine Rowley sat through last week's hearing and read through the judge's order today. It brings us the latest. Catherine, take it away.
Well, Rolly and Faith, let's start with the timeline. On September 2nd, State Senator Gary Stubblefield passed away while in office. 17 days later, on September 19th, the governor declared a vacancy. Then on September 26th, the governor set a special election for November 13th of 2026, and that's the date of next year's midterms. She then later changed it to June 9th. The bottom line, no one would represent that district in the Arkansas River Valley, including Franklin County, at next year's fiscal session. So Franklin County voter Colt Shelby hired attorney Jennifer Standiford and sued the governor to move up the dates. They argued that the law as written by the legislature calls for a vacancy to be filled within 5 months or 150 days. But the law does allow for some flexibility if the governor deems holding an election to be, quote, impractical or unduly burdensome. The governor used that discretion in setting the dates. But in the hearing last week, election officials in the district did testify that they could hold a complete special election in March. That said, it would be hard. And that's what Judge Patricia James based her decision on, basically saying if they can get it done, it's not worth keeping the seat vacant that long. Doing otherwise would be unconstitutional. Now, in this fiscal session, funding for the Franklin County Prison, which has been opposed by many in the district, is expected to be up for discussion. The Attorney General, who argued the suit should be dismissed, sent me a statement saying, quote, I am disappointed by the ruling and plan to appeal. The governor is confident that on appeal, the law clearly giving the governor the authority to set the special elections will be upheld and ultimately save taxpayer dollars and ensure that the election is free, fair, and secure. Standiford said that she and the district are hoping that the governor will move quickly on setting the special election. Now, in addition to the appeal, we'll now have to wait and see how another vacancy lawsuit plays out. It calls for the same disputed election dates be moved up in House District 70 in North Little Rock and Sherwood. The Democratic Party filed that just yesterday, and the AG's office has not responded yet.